If you don't understand memory, you don't understand variables. And if you don't understand variables, your bug will always feel random, but they are not. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how JavaScript memory works. What this? I will declare a variable. Let A equals 10, and select B equals A. Then we'll say B equals 20. Now let's log the value of A. Wow, everything works fine. We get 10, the value of A. Now, watch this. If you have another variable named obj1 and it has a property of count 1, then if we have another object obj2 equals obj1. Now, if from obj2 we change the value of the property count to 99, well, we should have count is equals to 1, right? But let's log this. Let's log obj1. We have 99. If your answer is JavaScript is weird, this video is for you. Here's the truth most tutorials skip. A variable is not a value. A variable is a reference to a place in memory. And once you understand that, JavaScript stops feeling sneaky. JavaScript mainly uses two memory areas, the stack and the heap. Let's talk about the stack memory. Let's declare a variable age equals 25, and let's say score equals 100. In this variable, you see JavaScript allocates memory on the stack, stores the value directly. The variable points straight to the variable names. Fast, simple, predictable. That's why this behaves normally. Watch this. If we have let x equals 5 and we have let y equals x, then if we say y equals 10 and we log x, 5 remains intact, x remains intact. We still have the value, and if we add y to it, we have 5 and 10, which behaves normal. X stays 5, no shared memory, no drama. Now, objects are different, which will bring us to talking about the heap memory. JavaScript does not store this object in the stack. It stores it in the heap. JavaScript stores this object in the heap. It does not store them in the stack. So, if we decide to do this, if we say let's obj1 equals count, with a property of count, and say let's obj2 equals obj1. Now, you didn't copy this object. What this means is you copy the address. In heap memory, when you assign a value to a variable, you are assigning the address, not the value itself. So when you change this to this, when you change obj2.count to 99, what actually happened here? Let's log this to see the value of obj1. What actually happens here is you change the object in memory. Both variables point to the same place. That's why both changed. This is not a JavaScript bug. This is how memory works. 2 label, 1 box, change the box, and every label sees it. Now, let's take a look at the construct. If we have const settings equals theme, I will have dark. If we have settings.theme equals light, and then we log settings, everything is working fine, no error. Why? Because const protects the reference, not the object, not the value. You can't reassign the address, but you can still change what's inside the house. This is why React state mutates accidentally, Redux screams at you, APIs return unexpected changes. You thought you copied the data. No, you only actually shared memory. Here's the rule you should remember. Primitive values are copied by value. Objects are copied by reference. That's not JavaScript magic. That's memory behavior. If you don't understand memory, you don't understand variable. And if you don't understand variables, your bugs will always feel random. But they are not. Once you see memory, JavaScript starts making sense. Stick around. This is where your understanding begins. See you on the next one. Bye-bye.